Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Joe Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see within a gap of 1 week, we have been starting again our video series. Today we are discussing a DXC program, Progressing Mind Scholarship for engineering student for the year 2020-21. And this scholarship is sponsored by DXC Technology, a Fortune 500 company, has giving a scholarship for engineering course for next 4 years, and that is in the name DXC Progressing Mind Scholarship for engineering course for all genders. And in this, what they are going to award, that they are going to award a minimum 50% of the total fee, or equivalent to 40,000 per annum. So next 4 years that scholarship will be given. We'll start. I'm Dr. Sajid Hundekar, Associate Professor in Head, Department of Geology, AKI, Pune College of Arts, Science, Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India. Yes. What will be there about this program? First, we'll see the last date. Whenever you go get this information about the scholarship, first you have to check it out. What should be the starting date and what will be the last date? Now, I'll be giving you the last date. Now, it has already been started. 15 June 2021 is the last date for this particular scholarship. And DXC Technology is a global Fortune 500 firm, and is it will be managing its customer for IT estates. And this is what they are giving, truly those needy students to launch their dreams with the support. So this is the program of central government under the CAS, that is the corporate social responsibility. They have been giving their 3% for the social mobility for underprivileged student or group to achieve their goals or target to support their family. So DXC Progressing Mind Scholarship is launched by the DXC Technology India. This is what we have. The company, Fortune 500 company is there, and this scholarship is aimed to support meritorious students who pursuing undergraduate. It is only for undergraduate courses in information technology or related subjects. So it is the information technology or related courses. What are the courses are there that will be going to see? That is the national level scholarship is there. This is a national level scholarship, and the first year engineering student who is there as a Bachelor of Engineering, that is a BE, or Bachelor of Technology, that is BTech, pursuing a course in computer science, that is CS, information technology, that is IT, electrical engineering, or electronic and communication system, that is ENTC will be there. So that branch will be there. So computer science, IT department, electrical department, electronic and communication. So these are the branches of engineering who are eligible to apply for this particular scholarship. Now what they are going to get, that is the 50% of the total course fee, or it is equivalent to 40,000 rupees, Indian rupees per annum for the next 4 years. The students from all genders will be applicable within respective of the religious, social belief and orientation for this particular scholarship. Now, what should be the eligibility for the scholarship? It is open to the all Indian national students and those who are pursuing the first year B or BTech in computer science, IT, electrical engineering, or EC, electrical and electronic and telecommunications stream in the year 2020 and year 2021. And the second important condition which is there, they should be obtain 60% marks or more than that in the previous examination, means in the 12th board examination, whichever the board is there, whether it is central board is there, that is the CBSE board, ICC board is there, or whether it is the any board, Maharashtra board is there, MP board is there, UP board, any board which will be a recognized board. From that board, he has to get minimum 60% marks, and you should get the higher one, more than that. The annual income, that is very important one. For this condition, the two important things will be there. First one is the income, and the second one is the marks obtained. So here the marks will be 60% marks, minimum mark, and the income which will be asked in this particular scholarship is 4 lakh rupees from all sources. The applicant should not be availing any scholarship benefit. That is very, very important. If he is get the scholarship and similarly he is get another scholarship, but if the second scholarship is more than 6,000 rupees per year, then they will not eligible for this scholarship. You can apply for this scholarship. Once you get, then can decide 2-3 scholarships are there. Whichever the best is there, you can go for that scholarship. But don't leave your attempt. You can apply for the scholarship. So after getting the confirmation, then you can come to know, decide yourself. Say 4, 5, 6 scholarship we got. Then you can decide whichever you want. You can keep, and rest one you can refuse it out. Now, very important condition for this, that is the children of DXC and the Buddy for Study scholarship portal employees are not eligible to apply their child in this particular scholarship program. The benefits we already discussed, again and again we'll see that 50% of the total fees for the current year or 40,000 per annum, that will be given. Whichever the less will be there, that will be given. Now, very important one, what are the documents will be required for this particular scholarship to be uploaded? First one, the last year mark sheet, where you have got the marks minimum 60% and above that. A government issued identity proof, that is Aadhaar card, voter ID card, driving license, PAN card, any one of this, Aadhaar card or voter ID card, a driving license or PAN card, anyone. Then the current year admission proof, where you are taken in engineering, that is a recognized fee receipt or admission letter or the bona fide certificate or the I-card of that particular college, any one of these conditions. Then the next one, a photocopy of the applicant's bank passbook, because this money will be transferred directly by electronic mode. So you should have a applicant's bank passbook and or a cancelled check of his or her bank account. Then the next very important one, income proof, Form 16A or income certificate issued from government authorities or salary slip, any one of these. Then one passport size photograph, and this should be, you have to make scan in a high resolution and you have to upload on the portal. Now, how you are going to apply for this scholarship? First, you have to go to the visit to this particular portal, that is buddyforstudy.com. That portal, you can visit over there, register yourself and create your ID with the help of your email account, Facebook account, Gmail account, email account, whichever, or mobile number. With this you can register, make an ID on Buddy for Study, and from this scholarship you can search for DXC progressing file, and below that there is a small option is there, apply. So from there you have to apply for DXC progressing scholarship and start filling all the documents very carefully. Once you fill all the documents, then upload whatever the asked documents are there, verified everything. Then in the end, once you satisfied that whatever the information you have been filled, it is correct, then you can press the button enter. So you have been applied for the scholarship. Very important one, whatever your information has been filled into this portal on the application online, if there is misleading information is there, if you fall that your income may be more than 4 lakh, then whatever the scholarship which has been distributed, it has been taken back. So that is the very, very important one. So whatever you have the proofs are there, make that and apply for the scholarships. I hope this is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.